To another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode on Android. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? All you need to do is simply go ahead and open your ChatGPT application, and on the bottom of your screen, which is right over here, as you can see, you want to click on this right over here. And once you simply go ahead and click on that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and allow the voice or microphone. Click on continue.
Hi there. I just want to share how
Select the person, and then you can simply start talking to him. So, hi ChatGPT, I'm making a video on how to use ChatGPT Voice Mode on Android.
Oh, that sounds great. I'd be happy to help. So you can start by showing them how to open the ChatGPT app on their Android device and then walk through enabling voice mode, like tapping the headphone icon, granting permissions, and then just speaking your prompt. Does that sound like the kind of flow you were thinking of?
ChatGPT, that is exactly what it was. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.